everyone? It is April 10th. It is turkey season in Illinois. I just got off work a little early, so I'm heading up to the farm. I'm going to be getting there about 15-20 minutes before shooting light, so I'm going to be kind of in a hurry to get back to my spot. I really don't know exactly where I want to set up at, but I don't know. I haven't had pictures of many turkeys this year on the trail camera, so I'm not too sure where they're going to be at. So hopefully something can respond to a couple owl hoots and kind of hear something out and just get after it. That's the plan. We've got about a 20-minute drive left before we're at the farm, and once we get there we're going to kind of bust our butts to get in the timber. So that's the plan.
What's up, guys? I just got set up. I got a few minutes before shooting light actually starts, and I just walked in to the dead center of this field and threw a decoy up without even hearing a gobble. I've got probably 4 birds to my left, 2 directly in front of me, and 2 to 3 over to my right. So I'm in the dead center of all these turkeys. So hopefully something happens here. I got the strutting Tom out with me, with an actual Jake fan from the bird I shot a couple years ago. So hopefully that'll get something fired up, boy.
Yeah.
Yeah, looking good.
Big Tom.
Really?
Yeah.
Middle field?
Yep, I sat right at the base of the grass field stand. Yep, I sat right at the base of that, and he gobbled in the back. And 2 of them did. I called a couple times and then just stopped calling, and they worked right up to me. Yeah. Well, that was a fun hunt. Really didn't have much of a game plan for today. I had a bunch of birds around the area Monday. Just nothing was committing to calls. Seems like everything was going away. I thought Monday was going to be the only day I could hunt with finding daycare. But Mom texted me last night and said she'd watch my daughter till 9:30 at the absolute latest today. I said, okay, I've got enough time to go hopefully call one right off the roost. So came out and didn't hear a single gobble at the car when I was in my truck this morning. And then I decided, I said, you know what, I'm just gonna walk to this dead center of the farm. This is a big crop field. And it's actually the stand I shot my buck out of in 21. And I said, you know what, I've seen turkeys in this first season. I'm just gonna sit there and hope for the best. Hopefully something comes out. Well, that's exactly what happened. As it started breaking daylight, I had gobbles over this way, gobbles in front of me, and 2 gobbles back this way. And the gobbles over here were pretty close. So I set up the decoys real quick. I just had a strutting tom and then a hen, as you can tell. I set those up real quick, got down, yelped a handful of times, and I just went quiet on them. And I could see them kind of come out. And they gobbled, so I was like, okay, they're gonna come in. And yeah, I just called. They kind of went quiet when they were walking up this hill, so I started scratching on the ground. And as soon as I started scratching on the ground, it seems like they came running in. They didn't come all the way into the decoys like I wanted them to, but I wasn't letting a bird get away with only being able to hunt for an hour, so